Hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we will talk about HTML formatting elements. I will explain what they should be used for, and I will also show you what they look like in the browser. The first element is the bold text element. It is made up of an opening and closing B tag. It is displayed bold in the browser and should be used to draw the attention of the visitor to a specific text. For example, keywords. It does not give the text it contains any special importance. The next tag, which is the strong tag, also displays text in bold. This tag, however, gives the text special importance, so should be used to indicate such information. Moving on, the next tag is the idiomatic text element, which has an opening and closing I tag. It is used to indicate that its text is different from the rest of the content. Reasons for this could be that the contained text has a different mood, voice, or contains technical terms. I elements display text in italics. Then we have the emphasized text element. It is used to imply that its containing text has a stressed emphasis compared to its surrounding. You can use it to give special importance to a word or phrase in a sentence. This one, like the I tag, is also usually displayed in italics. The mark text element represents marked or highlighted text. It is used for text that is important in the current context. An example of this I often see is when I search for something on Google and then click on the search result. It highlights the answer in yellow, drawing my attention to it so I don't have to read through the complete document. Usually it is displayed with a yellow highlight. The smaller tag is used for side comments and small prints, such as copyright and other legal information. For example, the terms and conditions for some promotions are often represented in smaller print. This one, as you can probably guess, is displayed smaller in the browser. Then we have the deleted text tag, which indicates text that has been deleted from the document. You might be wondering, why not just remove the text completely if it is deleted? Well, if you want to show visitors the previous version of the text, you leave the deleted text and wrap it into del tags. It will display as strike-through text indicating that the information is not current. The deleted text tag is used with the inserted text tag. The inserted text tag does the opposite of the del tag. It indicates that the information has been added to the document and has replaced the deleted text. It is shown in the browser as underlined. Another HTML element that displays underlined is the U tag, which was used to underline text back in the day. Nowadays, however, it is called the unarticulated annotation element and is used for misspelled words and unarticulated text, so text that is not coherently expressed. The next tag is the subscript text, which is used for characters which should be displayed in subscript. CO2 is an example. You wrap the 2 into subtext so that it displays smaller and lower than the rest. Superscript text tag, on the other hand, is used for superscript text which displays higher. One example for its use are footnotes, as seen here. All of these elements should be used to help browsers correctly understand the meaning of the text. They should never be used purely for design purposes. For example, only use strong tags if you want to indicate that the text is important. Don't use it to simply make the text bold because it looks nicer. HTML nowadays is used for semantic structuring of your web document, and styling ideally is completely separate from it. For that, you can use CSS, which I will cover in my next course. With that being said, there was a time when HTML and styling was combined through the use of inline CSS. This is not something I encourage you to do, but you might come across it, so I want to show you what it looks like and how to use it. So that is what we will cover in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will try my best to reply. Subscribe for more front-end tutorials and see you in the next video. Bye!